So Google just released an insane new update to their already incredible AI image editor called Nano Banana. This new Nano Banana Pro is truly mind-blowing, and I'm not exaggerating when I say that this is hands down the best image editing tool I have ever seen for starting an online business. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how I've been using it to get some incredible results. Now, like always, I need to throw out this disclaimer that this video is just for entertainment and educational purposes only, and I can't promise you any results. All right, let's get into it. Now, when Google first released Nano Banana Pro, one thing that they emphasized is that it's really good at putting text on images. And this is something that AI image generators have struggled with in the past. So we're going to try this out. I've tried this in the past with the regular Nano Banana, and you can see right here that it really struggled with words on images. So let's go ahead and try it with the Pro version. Now, you can access the Pro version right now inside of Google AI Studio for free, like you can with a lot of the other models. So what I'm going to use is Polo AI. This is what I use for all of my image generation work that I have to do. If you want to try this out, a link for it is in the description down below. This isn't sponsored, but that is my affiliate link. And the reason I like Polo AI is because you can come in here and actually choose between a ton of different models. And this released Nano Banana Pro the day after it came out. So they're always staying on top of the latest models as well. And you can also do video generation here as well. But for this one, we're just going to do text to image, Nano Banana Pro, and I'll tell it, make an infographic that shows step by step how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Now for the aspect ratio, I'm going to do 16:9. I'll just do one image output for this one, and we'll do a lower resolution, and I'll click on create. All right, here's the result right here. And this is, I don't see any flaws with it. How to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich step by step. I mean, look, even the words on the jar are perfect. Almost perfect. There is some words here in parentheses that are a little bit garbled, just slightly, but not too bad. Everything else, all the important words here are absolutely perfect. That is incredible to see. This is actually a game changer because if you need any sort of image with text on it, it now works. I mean, this is flawless. This is really cool. So let's try some other stuff with this. All right, next up, I wanted to see how well it could do with slide decks. So I asked it each time to create a new slide for a presentation about leveraging AI tools for your business. So this is the cover page. Looks freaking awesome, to be honest. This is the sort of table of sort of like the outline of what the presentation is going to be about. This is just looks so incredible how well they put this together. They actually picked all 5 categories for us and just have a really nice, clean looking presentation here. And here's one more slide that I had it make with this actual graphic as well, showing the accelerating adoption of AI tools in business. So for any type of slide deck, this is just going to be a complete game changer, I think. All right, so let's try some e-commerce product photography. So what I'll do is I'll upload an image of a product that I would potentially sell, like these designer sunglasses. And let's do an aspect ratio 1:1. And the prompt will be create a product image for this product. I want to showcase it on my e-commerce website. And I want it to be a collage of 4 photographs showing these sunglasses from different angles. And let's see what it's able to make. Here we go. Check this out right here. All 4 different angles. And what this is showing us right here is the consistency of the images. All of these are the same product, just from different angles. And again, this is something that AI sometimes struggles with, is consistency. And this was able to do it flawlessly. So let's try something else now. Let's actually put it on a person. So I'll say basically the same thing, but put the sunglasses on a model. And this time we'll do a wider aspect ratio. And wow, that looks stunning, absolutely stunning. And look, you could even see the reflection in the sunglasses. That is truly, truly insane. We are starting to get to the point, really, really close to the point, where it is indistinguishable for most people, an AI image from an actual photograph. That is unbelievable. Let's try to one more thing with this. I actually want to put some text on this image as well. So let me go ahead and tell it to create an ad for this product. Again, put it on a model and put text on the image that highlights that this is a luxury item. All right, so here we go. Another stunning image. We have some nice text down here. Again, it chose a name for the sunglasses. I would not have chosen that name, but that's what it chose. So next time I would definitely be more specific. But the photograph I absolutely love, and I love the text as well. I just don't love the name it chose, but that's okay. So yeah, these results. I mean, this for actually creating advertisements, this is incredible. This is going to make it so much easier for you as an e-commerce seller or for any product that you're selling where you need to create an advertisement. This is going to just level things up so quickly for a lot of businesses. All right, I really want to challenge Nano Banana Pro. So we're going to have it actually help us come up with some ideas for a print on demand product. So I talked with another AI chatbot and came up with this funny phrase for a print on demand product. It's Tree Rex. So what I'm going to tell it is create a t-shirt design with the text Tree Rex on it and create a simple image on the t-shirt of a tree Rex. I will do, let's say 9 by 16 for this one. Let's see if it's actually able to make something that's usable. All right, so this is what it came up like. This wasn't what I was expecting. Should have been more specific. This is incredible though. Like on so many levels, this is just an incredible photograph. Wow, I mean, just look at all the details there. Okay, that's stunning. Okay, but let's be more specific. I'm going to tell it create a t-shirt design for a print on demand mockup, and then I emphasized that I want it to be a Christmas tree. So let's see if that gets us closer to what we're looking for. And there we go. Now it is perfect. This is exactly what I'm looking for. So this looks fantastic. What I'll now do is I will come over here and inside of Polo AI, this is a feature I really like where I can now click image to image. So now it's going to use this as the reference image. And now I will say, basically, to take this design and put it on a tote bag. And bingo, it nailed it again. So yeah, you could just keep doing this and do new mockups for all the different products you want to sell. Want to do a quick test? What I'll do is grab this original prompt. How do I get this? Here, go ahead and reprompt this. But this time, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to change the model to regular Nano Banana. I'm just kind of curious how different it's going to look. And so here's the result with the original Nano Banana. It's not bad, honestly. It's not bad at all, but just compare this one to the one with Pro, and I think this looks so much better, not only the image, but the background as well. All right, let's try some professional headshots. I went ahead and uploaded an image of myself, told it how I wanted to create the professional headshot. And specifically, what I told it to do was to remove the background, do some cropping, add some professional attire, and even change my facial expression so it's more serious. And just as a bonus, I wanted a name tag on my shirt that says my name. All right, so there we go. Maybe I'm just a little bit too serious in this. What do you guys think? Does that look like me? I think it looks okay. Not perfect, but pretty close. I think it's passable. The name tag looks perfect. Professional attire, nice background, nice cropping, nice lighting. All of it's really good. Just let me know in the comment section down below if you think this actually looks like me. Now, for that last example, we took a real person, me, and we took a photo of me and edited it. But let's start from scratch. Let's actually create an AI influencer because this is actually blowing up right now. People are making a lot of money with AI influencers. So I'm going to use Nano Banana Pro and ask it to create a hyper realistic image of a woman. Her name is Layla. She's 25 years old, curly hair, and a dark complexion. And let's allow it to now create what we're then going to use for all of our Instagram posts that we put out for this new AI influencer named Layla. So here she is right here. I think this looks perfect. They even added a necklace with an L on it because her name is Layla. This image just looks stunning, absolutely realistic. So now what I can do is I can click right here where it says image to image, and I can say something like create an image of this woman hiking. And there she is. I mean, that looks so, so good. So you can get the idea now of how you can constantly just reprompt this with the same image of her to have consistent characters. I mean, this is the same woman. Here she is right here inside of probably a coffee shop. Here she is hiking. It is the same exact woman, which is incredible. Let's try one more because this time what I'll actually do is do image to image, but I will add in those sunglasses, and now I'll say, put the sunglasses on this woman, have her standing on a beach. So now, once your AI influencer hopefully blows up and you start to get brand deals, you can actually have the AI influencer using or holding or showcasing the products that the brands are selling. And there we go. And I'll be honest, I don't love these results. It just doesn't really work for me, probably because she's in a jacket. So let's reprompt this. Let's try something else. I'll say, put the sunglasses on this woman, change your outfit to a summer outfit, have her lounging on the beach. And hopefully that will get us some better results. All right, this is much, much better. Everything about it is perfect for me now. Consistent character, consistent product imaging. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see that? You can actually see the reflection of the person taking the photograph. That is shocking. That is unbelievable. Wow, it is just incredible to me how far AI images have come. Wow, that is really, really cool. All right, so another one I want to throw in here because these are always offered as a service is taking an image of a person and having it change into a different style. So let's just use our AI influencer. Let's say you can sell this as a gig on like Fiverr or Upwork. Someone can send you a photo and you can change it into a certain style. Like for this one, I can say, create an image of this woman in an animated style. And then you'll see that it will actually just take her. It'll look like her, but it'll look like it's in some sort of anime or animation film. And bingo, it nailed it. That looks really good. So again, lots of people offering these things as services. There are also ones like watercolors, or you make them as like an action figure inside a box. All that's just going to be better with Nano Banana Pro. And what I've also discovered is that Nano Banana Pro is excellent at any type of mock-up that you need to do. So here I again uploaded this photo of me just smiling and said, hey, basically turn me into an AI influencer, create a mock-up that shows me as an influencer. And it did that with stunning results. Here's a phone on a coffee table. You can even see down here the shadow of the phone from where the light's coming from. This looks real. And it took my image, created an image within an image. It's super, super meta. And there's actually a third image of me in here as well. Super meta. And it just got all these details so precisely correct. And again, all the text is fully legible. It is incredibly stunning what this can do. The key with this is to get creative. This tool is available to pretty much anyone now. So what's going to make you different from anyone else is how you actually use it and your creativity. It alone is not going to make you money, but it can help your business. So offer slide decks to businesses who need that sort of high production value. Reach out to local small businesses and say, hey, I will do your marketing for you, your social media marketing for you. All I need is a couple of photos of you and your business, and I can generate all these different images. It's going to take some work, but with this tool, it's going to be easier than ever. So if you couldn't tell already, I absolutely love Nano Banana Pro. It blows my mind what it can do. Now, if you want to try it yourself and you don't have access to it, go ahead and try Polo AI if you want to. I'll have a link for it in the description down below. And while you're down there, let me know which use case I showed you today was the most impressive, or if you think of a new one, please let me know about it in the comment section down below. I'm always looking for new ways to use different AI image generators like Nano Banana Pro. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.